Hello, dearies. It's your old friend, Captain Jack here. How would you like to improve your drawing skills by 1,000,000,000%?
Yes!
Well, then, you might want to try a different channel. But remember this, the only rules that matter are these. What a man or woman can do, and what a man or woman can't do. And what you can't do, mate, is subscribe to Mr. Brad Art.
Cool!
After 20 years of teaching experience to thousands of students, learning with Mr. Brad is more valuable than a pirate's treasure. Mr. Brad will teach you all his tips, tricks, and hacks through step-by-step tutorials, speed drawings, pro tips, and other creative goodies.
Woohoo!
So what are you waiting for, me hearties? Hit that subscribe button.
Bingo!
Grab a pencil and start drawing.
Booyah!
And never forget, this was the day you almost caught Captain Jack Sparrow. That doesn't have anything to do with Mr. Brad Art. I just like saying it. Savvy?